Hey guys, Dan here with VittorTech, and the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro series were just announced. Maybe your contract is up, or maybe you're just ready to make the upgrade, but you don't know which model is right for you. This video will help you decide whether you should buy the iPhone 13 and 13 mini, or whether you should buy the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So first up, what are the features among both models? Well, with both models, you'll get an ultra-wide camera seeing more in view. Both will get significant camera sensor upgrades that make night photos more bright and more vibrant, capturing all details you see on screen here. Both will include a new feature called cinematic mode, which brings portrait mode to video and even allows you to change the focus after filming. Both, of course, will come with larger batteries, meaning better all-day battery life, which we'll get to later on in this video. And of course, both will come with the brand new A15 chip, meaning a faster processor among all models. The camera system on the iPhone 13 and 13 mini include an ultra-wide camera and enhanced dark mode, a wide camera with 47% more light than the 12, and image stabilization from last year's Pro model, providing smooth photo and video taking. That feature alone makes the iPhone 12 really great value for the price. The Pro Max, however, takes all of these features from the camera and enhances them, including a telephoto lens that enables macro photo and video with close-up shots like you can see here. Now there's a lot of technical stuff that goes into the lenses, but here you can see an example for a better comparison. Here's night mode photos taken with the iPhone 13, and then here are some night shots with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can see while both take great photos, the iPhone 13 Pro Max takes much brighter night photos with much more detail captured. So that's a lot of features, making either of these choices a really great upgrade from whatever phone you're switching from. But which one between the regular series and the Pro series is right for you? Here we have a comparison guide between the 13 and the 13 Pro and Pro Max. You can see with the 13, you're getting better low light photos, but with the iPhone 13 Pro, you're getting the best low light photos. On the 13, you have cinematic mode, and on the 13 Pro, we're building on that and allowing telephoto photo and video for really close-up, really crisp shots. On the 13, you're getting up to 512 gigabytes of storage, and with the 13 Pro, you can expand all the way up to 1 terabyte, likely allowing for the Pro RAW video that you might be shooting with a Pro. Both come with the A15 chip, meaning they have the same performance, relatively speaking. On the 13, you're getting a Super XDR display, and on the 13 Pro, you're upgrading to the 120Hz ProMotion display, like we currently have on the iPad Pro series. Both are going to come with super fast 5G and ceramic shield. On the 13, you're getting up to 19 hours of battery life, and on the 13 Pro Max, you're getting all the way up to 28 hours of nonstop battery life. Now that's a lot of features to go through. However, on the 13 Pro, you're also getting a couple of other options, including night mode portrait, Apple Pro RAW format, 3x zoom lens, and a LiDAR sensor. Both lineups come with a set of new colors, with the 13 including a pink, a new blue, product red, midnight, which is really just black, and starlight, which is white. On the Pro series, however, you're getting a new Sierra blue, silver, gold, and graphite. New capacities included start at 128 gigs and go up to 512 on the iPhone 13 series, and on the Pro, you're going anywhere from 128 gigs all the way up to 1 terabyte of storage. These iPhones also come at an unchanged price from the iPhone 12 lineup, which you can see on screen here. So to help you summarize a little easier, you should choose the iPhone 13 if you want improved performance and long-lasting battery life, but you don't need up to 1 terabyte of storage, and you don't need 6.7-inch models. The iPhone 12 series is going to provide all of the performance that you need without any of the additional Pro series features that you don't. On the other hand, you should choose the iPhone 13 Pro series if you want the best camera with macro photo and video close-ups. You need up to 23 hours of battery life. You want the absolute best performance that you can get on an iPhone. You require up to 1 terabyte of storage, or you want the 6.7-inch larger Pro Max model. Of course, it's also worth mentioning what's been left out this year and whether you may want to hold off for a future iPhone 14 series, especially if you're waiting for things like 120Hz on the standard model, a new orange color which didn't make an appearance on the iPhone 13, an always-on display, or Touch ID brought back to iPhone. In terms of when these phones are being released, they're slated for a launch date on September 24th, and looking at a calendar, we know that the Apple keynote was on Tuesday the 14th, pre-orders happen this Friday on September 17th, and the release date is Friday, September 24th. So that's everything about the brand new iPhone 13 and 13 Pro series that were just announced. Let me know down below which of these models you're considering picking up. Are you fine with the 13 series, or are you splurging to go up to that Pro series? Leave your vote in the comments right now, and while you're down there, remember to hit the like button because it tells YouTube that videos like this don't suck, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this from me. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.